Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. We're here making this video today to talk about a little bit more of a unique problem that we see sometimes on Samsung devices, and that's where the device is stuck in the setup wizard and will not let you through without a SIM card being installed. So we get contacted lots of times by customers that where the device has the Google account lock or something else where they can't get through, but this is actually something that's totally different. So this specific device actually does have that problem. So you can see it's like a brand new phone here. It's factory reset and on the welcome screen. And when we go to tap start, we'll get this pop-up message that says, insert SIM card from your service provider for network service. And no matter how many times you tap it, the same thing is always going to pop up. But it's almost impossible to determine who or which carrier the phone is actually from because there's no logo that shows when it turns on, there's no branding on the back or anything like that. So we do have a SIM card down here inserted, so we're going to go ahead and insert that and then see if maybe that'll let us through. Now when we tap start, it gives us a different message saying that the SIM card isn't valid. And that's because it's asking for a SIM card from the specific carrier that the phone is actually originally from. And so we have been contacted by several customers lately with this specific issue, trying to just be able to get through the setup to the home screen to be able to use the device as normal, but they can't because they have no way of figuring out which carrier the phone's originally from, and therefore they don't know which SIM card to insert. So we're making this video here to show everyone that we do offer a service to be able to skip through all of the initial setup steps and so that you can bypass that lock. The procedure of bypassing it is something that we do directly to the device while it's plugged into a computer. And the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet to perform the exact same procedure that we just did here with this one. So, as you guys could see clearly, the device was on the initial start page, and then I just plugged it in and ran our computer program here on it. After it reboots, we should be able to see that we get access directly to the device's home screen, thereby skipping through all of the initial setup steps completely. So now instead of pulling up the welcome screen, it actually pulls up the device's lock screen where all of the notifications and messages and alerts normally show. So now when we go ahead and swipe that away, we just have to agree to Samsung's terms and conditions here and then hit agree. And there we go. It loads up the home screen for us. We have full access to all of the apps and settings and features, and we're no longer restricted by having to insert a SIM card. This device just happens to be a Galaxy S21 FE, but this procedure works for just about any model from Samsung that is showing that specific error on the initial welcome screen. So if you have one of these Samsung devices and need help getting past that initial error on the welcome screen, go ahead and get in touch with us because we would love to assist you with that. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video with all of our contact info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for thousands of models of mobile devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing here with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.